Welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone involved in Forex trading: understanding leverage, and most importantly, learning how to use it safely. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or a seasoned trader, understanding leverage can be the difference between steady growth and a quick account wipeout. So, what exactly is leverage in Forex trading? Simply put, leverage is a tool provided by your broker that allows you to control a larger position in the market with a relatively small amount of your own money. Think of leverage like borrowing funds from your broker to boost your buying power. For example, if your broker offers leverage of 100:1, this means you can control a $10,000 position with just $100 from your account. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. Leverage amplifies not only your potential profits, but also your potential losses. It's crucial to remember that leverage is indeed a double-edged sword. Many new traders are attracted to the Forex market precisely because of this ability to amplify profits, but without careful risk management, this can quickly lead to significant losses. Even minor market movements can drastically impact your account when you're using high leverage. Let's look at some of the common risks associated with using leverage improperly. Firstly, there's the risk of rapid losses. Because leverage magnifies both profits and losses, even a slight move against your position can result in substantial financial damage. Imagine using 100:1 leverage, where just a 1% move against your position could potentially wipe out your entire initial investment. Secondly, there's the issue of margin calls and stop outs. A margin call happens when your account balance falls below the required margin set by your broker, forcing you to either deposit more money or close positions to maintain your account. If you fail to do so promptly, your broker might automatically close your trades, sometimes at unfavorable prices. Another psychological pitfall of using excessive leverage is the temptation of emotional trading. High leverage often triggers emotional decisions driven by fear and greed. Traders frequently fall into the trap of revenge trading, trying to quickly recover losses by making impulsive and high-risk trades, usually resulting in further losses. So, how can you trade safely with leverage? First and foremost, choose your leverage wisely. Although many brokers offer leverage ratios of 500:1 or even higher, that doesn't mean you should use it. If you're new to trading, start with much lower leverage. Something like 10:1 or 20:1 is much more manageable. You can gradually increase your leverage as you become more experienced and disciplined. Position sizing is also a critical factor in safe trading. Always limit your risk per trade to 1 to 2% of your account balance. For example, if your account has $10,000, risking 2% means you should not risk more than $200 on a single trade. This ensures that even a series of losing trades won't devastate your account. Additionally, always use stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order automatically closes your trade when it reaches a specific loss level you have predetermined. It acts as an insurance policy against catastrophic losses, ensuring you exit trades at manageable loss levels rather than letting them spiral out of control. Another vital component is understanding and maintaining a healthy risk-to-reward ratio. A common rule of thumb is to aim for at least a 1:2 or 1:3 risk-to-reward ratio, meaning you're risking $1 to make 2 or 3. This strategy helps you stay profitable even if you're correct only half the time. Managing lot sizes correctly is another crucial step in controlling risk. Forex trades typically come in standard, mini, and micro lots. Starting with smaller lot sizes, such as micro lots, can significantly reduce your risk, especially if you're new to trading or testing new strategies. Consider also the timing and volatility of the markets. Avoid trading during times of extreme volatility or immediately after significant economic news events unless you're highly experienced. Market volatility combined with high leverage is often a recipe for disaster for beginners. Moreover, educating yourself continuously about market dynamics and trading strategies is indispensable. Spend time trading on a demo account to gain practical experience without risking real money. Keep learning about fundamental and technical analysis, risk management techniques, and market psychology. Lastly, emotional discipline is key to safely using leverage. Even the best strategies can fail if your emotions take control. Discipline yourself to stick to your trading plan strictly. If you find emotions starting to dominate your decision making, step away from trading temporarily and reassess your strategy. In conclusion, leverage in Forex trading can be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. To harness its potential safely, choose reasonable leverage, apply strict risk management practices, and maintain emotional discipline. If you're looking for additional resources, expert insights, and a supportive trading environment, be sure to visit crystalballmarkets.com. They offer comprehensive educational materials and tools specifically tailored to help retail traders succeed in managing leverage effectively. Thank you for joining me, Sophia, on Financial Market Insights for Traders. Until next time, trade responsibly, protect your capital, and keep growing your trading account safely.